Hey guys, thanks for joining us for this quick segment. Yes, I'm in Bowling Green again. I had to stop here on 4th of July. A little bummed though. I walked in on the boulevard and I'm not seeing a bunch of flags, but what we do see is a rarity, a 25 ZR1. Check this out. Seawolf gray coupe, visible carbon fiber split window. Man, how you doing? Look at this thing, how hot this is. Now with the saga that's been unfolding with ZR1, now we understand and appreciate what a rarity this car really is. So excited to see this competition seat car. This has to be ordered as an accessory. Kind of shocked by that. The visible carbon fiber mirror caps. I mean, standard comes with the roof, the ground effects, the door blade, body blade as I like to call it, the inlets right here, all that visible carbon fiber standard. So why do we have to order this as an accessory? Come on, GM, that should have come standard on the car. Part of the package, you know what I mean? Look at these wheels. Smart black lug nuts. Somebody's paying attention. Congratulations, Mr. Steve McDonald. You've got yourself a piece of history here, buddy. Boy, I'd like to get some pictures of this thing out in the sun. I really do like the Seawolf Gray. And a canceled color, too, so that in itself makes this more special. Congratulations. Now, Seawolf Gray and tension blue interior, that would be hot too, man. Wow. So now we're over at Bowling Green Assembly, and the place is a ghost town. That's right. The plant is shut down this week and next week for summer shutdown. Ran into Daryl in the National Corvette Museum store. Now this is more like it. Thanks for the heads up on that. Yes, it's 4th of July. Right out front of Bowling Green Assembly, we have red, white, and blue Stingray, E-Ray, and another ZR1. Look at that. Woo! Of course, we're going to hop up here and get a little closer look. Look at that carbon fiber just jump in the sun. There's that extra carbon fiber hood that's part of level 2 carbon fiber. And yes, I guess we're to blame. We used to come here and look at the VINs and dissect them, what they were and that kind of stuff, and do reports on it. And now they put a tag in there and they block the VIN number. So we don't know what year car it is, experimental car, factory car, production car. Whew, look at, it's up down here. Wow, look at this Riptide Blue E-Ray convertible. Man, does that thing look great. And I just love the E-Ray wheels. Beautifully displayed. Red, white, and blue. Happy 4th of July from the National Corvette Museum and Bowling Green Assembly.